guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own customized DIY crayons. So firstly, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and secondly, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments down below. So let's get started. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own customized crayons. So the reason I'm making these crayons is because my son, he's really small and he can't hold crayons very well, so I've decided to make some big ones that he can hold and do whatever he likes to it. But these small ones, they only last like a couple of times and then they just break just like that. So the ones that we're going to be making, it will be very, very hard to break. And it'll be so easy to grip in your hands. So let's get started. So the things that you need from this craft is some cake trays. And I'm using this plastic one. It's much easier because you can just flip it out and get the crayons out. And this I've just got from Pound Shop. And then some old or new crayons, it's totally up to you. And the same thing, I've just got this from Pound Shop as well. And you need a cutter, and then I got that from Pound Shop. So all of this will cost under $3. But obviously, if you already have cake tins or old crayons or cutters, then it doesn't cost anything. So let's get your crayons, and simply, if they're new, just put your cutter, slit all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you don't cut your fingers, and easily just undo the wrapper. And then we're going to do this for all of the crayons. Okay, so we're back. And also, firstly, let me just say, if you are using tins, the solid ones, not these plastic ones, don't forget just to put a bit of oil around it, just for to make it easier to come out later on. But obviously for these plastic ones you don't need to use any oil. So after getting all of the crayons and unwrapping it and everything, simply put them all in the trays and just break them in small pieces, only just to make it burn or melt much faster and quicker. But you can go ahead and mix the colours as well, it's totally up to you. So after doing it, we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes on 180 Celsius. And then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so after putting it in the oven for about 10 minutes, I put, before I put it in the oven, I put a metal tray underneath just to make it easier to put it in the fridge. And then I put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. So now we're just going to bring it out, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to bring it out.